guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a Glamlite Foodie mystery box to show you guys. Do you want to know what's inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I do follow Glamlite because I do love their products and I love to see all their new collections that they come out with. I did actually purchase a few things from the Friday the 13th set. I did post it on my Instagram to show you guys when I received it. I just haven't had time to sit down and film it and do a makeup try on with that stuff, but that will be coming soon. Today I'm going to show you the mystery box that I purchased. I don't have a whole lot of like their foodie type products. I have a few palettes. I did bring mine in front of me, so if anything is in here a repeat, then I will save it for one of you guys. I know there's supposed to be lashes in here. Those I will save for you guys because I don't do lashes. So I love to be able to pass down to you guys as well. So I went ahead and grabbed this box. For one, I think the outside box is super, super cute. It did say that I think they mail it in this box, so like your label would probably be on this package. However, I think at the time it was anything over $65, you got free shipping. So I wanted to add something to get to that threshold of free shipping. So I added the Friday the 13th candle to add to that collection. This candle was normally $12 and they had a discount. The discount did not go to this. It only went to this. It took $4.80 off of the candle. And then it put me at $66. So I got that free shipping. So anyway, I will re-show you that when I open up that entire collection soon. But today, let's go ahead and open up the mystery box. Let's see what is all going to be inside. So again, this is the Foodie mystery box. It is a limited edition. It shows that it has a value of $157 and I paid $59. Again, no coupons or discounts would apply on this. So I paid $59 for this box. And then it does say, you asked and we delivered. By popular demand, the most sought after Foodie box is making its highly anticipated return. The exclusive box features 10 mystery items from our most popular released collections, including some of our best-selling licensed items. Treat yourself or your loved one. The Foodie mystery box will include 3 foodie-themed eyeshadow palettes, 3 lashes, so those lashes will be saved definitely for you guys, 1 lip kit, 1 lip liner, 1 face palette, and then 1 mystery item. So yeah, it says, please note the shipping label is placed directly on the box, which again, mine wasn't because I ordered something else. So they were both in a mailer box together. I'm glad because I'm going to keep this box. I love the teal. I think it looks so cute and I'm going to use this for storage or anything like that. I can even keep it in my craft room, put stickers or organize like my journaling stuff. I don't know, but I will definitely use this box for something else. So again, $59 is what I paid. Let's go ahead and dive in and see. Oh my gosh, how freaking cute is that? Let's see what is all inside. The top of the box looks like that. Looks like a little diner. I'm just letting everything out of the box. Okay, that is super cute. 24-hour Glamlite, and it looks definitely like an old 50s diner. I love that. So 2 things popped out of the box. Let's go ahead and see what's all inside. Let's go with this fry thing first. Glamlite Fry Lashes. So this will be the first set of lashes that will go saved for one of you guys. And it says, indulge in gorgeous, full, and voluminous eyelashes. Every fry lash is designed and handcrafted using the highest and softest quality of synthetic silk. So you can see down inside of them right there. So that is the style. That is super cute though. The packaging looks like it is fries. That is so cute. I just love their packaging. That's always so cute. So that will go saved for one of you guys. The next thing that popped out of the box is a Hershey's Glamlite Milk Chocolate Face and Body Bronzer. Ooh, I normally don't use face palettes, but I'm gonna open it and see what it looks like. This is how it looks down inside of the packaging. The back, it looks totally like it would be a candy bar. That is so cute. Okay, so there's 2 different colors here. One is like more of like a champagne and one of them is more of like a goldish color. I'm not sure if I'd rather pass this down to one of you guys or if I want to keep it in my collection, because I know I wouldn't really use this goldish color. So let me think about that. Let's see what else is all in here, and then I'll keep that to the side just in case. But that is really cute. I like the packaging. Okay, so now it looks like we have a Hershey's Cookies and Cream Lip Kit. Oh, how cute. So it comes like this. There's 3 pieces actually down inside. It says, give your lips the treat they deserve with this all-in-one set that includes a must-have combination of an ultra creamy lipstick, the perfect nude gloss, and a very velvety lip liner. And it looks just like it would be like a white chocolate. You open it straight up. It's kind of like a magnetic top. So this is, oh, this is actually the lipstick. Then this is going to be the lip gloss. That is so cute though. And then here is the lip liner. Oh, it's a roll up. That looks like that would be a really pretty color though. That is really pretty. So you have the light, the like nude lipstick, you have the lip gloss, and then the lip liner. That's really cute packaging too. So we have, going with that same Cookies and Cream, this is a 12 color palette. And then that's what the actual packaging looks like. It looks so cute. It looks like you're ripped open like the package and that's the inside. So cute. Ooh, this is so pretty. I really like all those dark. I was not expecting that. I was thinking it was going to be a lot lighter colors because it's the Cookies and Cream, or like a white chocolate. But those are super pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love those colors. So there is the first eyeshadow palette. Ooh, this one I do have. Okay, so when I said I brought my stuff, so with Glamlite, I do have, which is still in my other room, the 4 of the collection of the martinis, like the chocolate martini, the regular martini, then there was a purple, like a wine one. I have that entire collection, and those are still on the shelf in there. The only like smaller palettes I have, I put in this little basket. One of my amazing subscribers actually turned me on to this company. I believe this is the one that she had got me, the donut, and then I bought the chocolate donut, and then I don't know if I bought this to buy this or if it came in like a different mystery box or something at one time, but I actually do have the pie palette. So here's this one that's all wrapped up. This will save for one of you guys. I'll save this with the lashes. Ooh, and you know what? With the palette and the lashes, it might be enough just to do a giveaway at the end of this video. So we'll see. Hold on. I'll show you mine just so you know what it's going to look like. So it looks like an apple pie on top with like this glittery on the inside. And then when you open her up, there's a mirror on the top. And I believe I've used this like once or twice. So you can see I've dipped my fingers in there before. But that is the colors of this palette right there. So that's cool. I get to share an actual eyeshadow palette with you guys as well. Okay. Now I see it's from the Frosted Flakes collection. And this is, I would say, a lip liner because it did say 1 lip liner. So it looks like that is the color, because it doesn't say on it, it just says Glamlite Frosted Flakes. So I'm going to assume that's a lip liner. So there's that guy. And then going with the Frosted Flakes, that's so cool though that they put a few items from that same collection, not just like one of everything, you know? This looks like a cereal box. Oh my goodness. And when this came out and they kept playing it on their stories, about that time our niece was over, and that whole entire weekend, the station that I had on for her, every single commercial, I swear, every single commercial break, bring out the tigers, the mighty, mighty tigers. So by the end of the weekend, I was so tired of hearing that song. And then Glamlite started like blowing it up, and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's all I'm hearing. Bring out the tigers. So then randomly I would just text our niece to be like, bring out the tigers. And she'd be like, the mighty, mighty tigers. It just became like a little joke between us. And then one time I saw, like after I finally stopped hearing it all the time, it came on a commercial. So I recorded it and sent it to her. She's like, oh, are we doing this now? Yeah, we are. But Frosted Flakes. And it's just, oh my gosh, like I don't want to like break this seal. Like this looks, you know what? I'm going to try to see if I can slide it out from the bottom of the box, because the top you would have to like break the seal like a real cereal box, and I don't want to mess the box up. Okay, so let's open up our frosted flakes, and it's all in a plastic bag like you would see like the cereal come out of. Too bad they didn't have like a little toy in there. That would be cute. Does cereal even have toys anymore? Like any of the cereal that we get, there's never any toys anymore. Okay, this is so fun. And yeah, it matches like the stripes and everything to that. We're sure you'll look great. Ooh, this is actually really pretty. So you have like all of these blues. Oh wow, that is gorgeous. I'm so excited. Okay, so there's the third eyeshadow palette. So the pie, the frosted flakes, and then the Hershey's, the cookies and cream one. That's awesome. Now we have is Glamlite Diner Restaurant Wipes. So they're going to be like makeup wipes, but that is so cute. It looks just like the diner. So you have some makeup wipes that you can use. You just pop that up and then you can keep them sealed. It doesn't say like how many wipes are inside that I can see quickly anyway, but you do have that package right there of some makeup wipes. We could always use those. So that's awesome. Plus it's a really cute package. It looks like a diner. So now I have 3 different products, and they look like these are all going to be lashes. Didn't it say only 3 lashes though? Well, I got 4, which is fine because now you guys get 4. So the first one here says Glamlite Chocolate Bar, and it's that packaging. And then down inside so you can see what they look like. All right, there. There we go, that's better. So here is a pair of lashes from the Chocolate Bar collection. And then these 2 are both completely sealed up. It says Michaela. There's one says High Fashion, and then one just says Glamlite. So there's 2 different styles of Michaela lashes. That's gonna kind of be hard to see. The top one you can see better than the bottom one, but I don't want to remove the plastic because these are going to you guys. So there's that. So that is everything that came in this mystery box. I'm so excited because I have now some new palettes that I've never had before. And let me go ahead and see what all I want to put together in this giveaway. And I'll just do this now, you guys, because there's 4 different lashes. If you like lashes, if not, you can gift them to somebody else. And then let's see here. What else can I add to it? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the 4 different lashes. I'm going to put in this pie palette. I'm going to put in this lip liner from the Kellogg's collection. I'm going to put in the face palette that had the bronzer and highlighter, and then the lip kit. So all of this I'm going to put down in a giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. So if you do want to win this, simple rules as all of my giveaways. Number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do what I do, so I can give back to those that are here actively and positively supporting me on my channel. I like to say thank you. So number 1, be subscribed. If you're not already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's free, and then you can see all of the different videos and be entered into all of my giveaways because I do them as much as I can. So that's number 1, be subscribed. Number 2, like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Number 3, you must be over the age of 18 or have somebody that is over the age of 18 to enter in for you. So I'm communicating with an adult to get addresses, that kind of thing. And make sure you have a United States address for me to ship them to. I don't care where you live, as long as I'm paying for a United States address to ship these to. And all you have to do then is in the comment section down below is make 1 comment and say sharing is caring. That will enter you into the giveaway. So then at the end of the giveaway, I'll have this run for 1 week. At the end, I will have a random comment picker. Choose a comment. If it says sharing is caring, then you will be the winner. I will comment back to you saying congratulations. You are the current winner to this giveaway and have 48 hours to respond back to me. If the winner does not respond back to me within the 48 hours, a new winner must be drawn. Rules are rules, and the new winner will have the same 48 hours until I get a confirmed win. Down below in the description box, we'll have all of the official rules, the official end date. If you have any questions, once it is over, it'll say congratulations to the winner. So-and-so has 48 hours to confirm, or it will say confirmed. If it still says has 48 hours to confirm, hold tight. I might have to choose a new winner. The new winner might be you. But again, I do them as much as I can to say thank you to you guys. Also, be sure of scammers. Make sure that if the comment does come saying you are the winner, it is from me, my account only. It's only from SheCrafty. No numbers, no at me, no direct me, no nothing with it, just SheCrafty. Because I did have somebody that looks like this comment to you guys saying that you guys were a winner, and that was not Telegram me or whatever. That is definitely not me. They did use my logo, but that is not my name. So make sure it looks just like this. This is what I say to you guys every time. And then you contact me to get a hold of me. Make sure you are speaking with me before you release any information. Just be careful. Those scammers are trying to do things all over. That's why I hide my giveaways, so it's not noticeable. So hopefully I don't have those issues that much, but I had it once. So I just want you to be prepared. So there you go. So be subscribed, like, leave that one comment that I said, be over the age of 18, have a United States address for me to ship them to, and smile. That is it. Quick and simple. So that is everything that I have for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of this mystery box? I'm super, super happy. Even though I'm giving like half of it or more than half of it to you guys, I'm still really, really excited that I got to see everything. The palettes that I'm keeping, I am absolutely loving. I love those 2 eyeshadow palettes. So it's a win-win for me. Let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.